almost done at work. So I'm doing my note, and then after that I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then tomorrow's Friday. We do have work because our boss is going to somewhere. So anyhow, I'm doing my note, and then after work I'm going to Sam's Club. That's done. Time to go. Hi guys, so I'm done at work, so on my way to Sam's Club. There you go. We're here at Sam's Club. And chicken breasts. So we're gonna do at least the same as biggest other one. There you go. This is 14 there. We're here at Sam's Club. Sam's Club for more. Yeah, it's big. Dairy. So we're here. Milk and then the egg. The egg is so expensive. So we get one of this egg. This one is only 18. This one is 2 dozen. Here, cream cheese, milk, coffee creamer, butter, eggs. Now we're gonna be here. Yan, 4 of them. It's pretty, but I don't need one. We already have 2. Okay guys, I'm done at Sam's Club. So, I'm going back to Walmart. I'm gonna go back to Walmart. Go. Okay guys, so on my way home. Hi guys, so I'm home from Sam's Club and Walmart. So I went to Sam's Club to get this Jack pepperoni, and so I'm gonna open it so I can cook one. So there's 4 of them. See, as you can see. So we're just gonna put it in our freezer. So yan. Put that. We don't need the box because it's big with, So, we're gonna put it in our freezer in our garage. Okay guys, let's continue our quick haul. So anyhow, here you go guys. I got egg. And then the chicken breast, boneless chicken breast. And then boneless chicken thigh. And also I got this bread, two of them. Then I get breadcrumbs, another breadcrumbs, ayan, dark brown sugar, and also yesterday I went to Albertson and got this one. See, another breadcrumbs and oh my god, I get the evaporated milk. It's supposed to be condensed milk. But anyhow, I got evaporated milk and coconut milk. And today at Walmart, I get coconut cream and then coconut milk. Also, I got green beans and 2 green onions. So yeah, that's what I got. So that's what I got, guys. This is all I got today. There you go. This is all what I got. So it's like 60 at Sam's Club and then roughly $10 at Walmart. So $60 except for this from Albertson. So that's our quick haul, guys. And I'm gonna hang up because I'm gonna eat some dinner. So see you later. Or I forget I have a fish. So I'm gonna cook that. You cook that, guys. Okay. Bye guys, see you later. Hi guys, so I changed my clothes from my work clothes. So anyhow, I already made pizza for Matt. Now I'm gonna make food for me. So I have fish. So I'm gonna cook that. So now I'm gonna see, this is my fish. As you can see. Here you go guys, this is my dinner tonight. So this is what I did. It's fish based in vinegar, and then I put onion, garlic, ginger, and whole peppercorn, water, oil, and yeah, vinegar. So this is my dinner tonight. Ayan, hi guys. Hi guys, so na-eat my dinner. There you go. Our fish. And then a little liquid. Little liquid. There you go. And then I want to get some onion. And then a little bit of fish. And then you. So anyhow guys, it's already 8 p.m. I'm gonna eat my dinner. And then before I eat my dinner, I put away all the dishes. And then I wash the dishes. So I eat my dinner. So I'm gonna finish this. And then after I eat my dinner, I'm going to edit my video. Okay guys, so after that storm, so I'm cleaning the house. I actually started. So I vacuum. I did wipe the dust in our tables. And then now I did mop the living room. So I have here left, right here, and then the hallway, this room here, and then towards the laundry. See, it's really dirty. And also I already cleaned the kitchen. See, it's really pretty. And after I clean the house, I'm going to clean our front yard. So I'm gonna pull some weeds. Well, I just finished cleaning the house. Here you go, guys. And so I mop and dust and wipe the front door because it was very dusty. And then yeah, I'm done. And also I made marinara sauce for our dinner tonight. I'm gonna make spaghetti. So anyhow, it looks clean. Woo! It was so dirty. Oh my goodness. Finally, it's clean. Ayan. Wow. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna rest a little bit and then I'm gonna clean the front yard later.